Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The euro got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
U.S. stocks climbed with both the S&P 500 and NASDAQ rallying more than 1% as a pullback in U.S. Treasury yields helped lift expensive stocks in sectors such as technology. A crackdown on cryptocurrency mining in China contributed to the crypto market losing value again over the weekend, as China is responsible for an estimated 70% of the global crypto supply. The takeover negotiations could signal Amazon wants to expand its Prime streaming library with MGM's array of content, which includes the James Bond franchise.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's gross domestic product will be released at 600 GMT, the UK's public sector net borrowing at 600 GMT, the US S&P Case-Shiller home price indices at 1300 GMT. The U.S. consumer confidence will be released at 1400 GMT, Germany's IFO business climate at 800 GMT, the U.S. new home sales at 1400 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.